Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Python and a package manager installed so Jupyter can run reliably. Install Python 3.10 or newer and check that you added it to path. This ensures commands work in PowerShell. Once done, install either Anaconda for an all-in-one setup or use pip to install Jupyter Lab and Notebook. Make sure pip matches the Python you'll use. This reduces environment conflicts and lets you run notebooks from a predictable interpreter, which saves time later. Now create and activate a dedicated environment so package versions stay isolated. Use Python mvenv. Venv then. Venv \scripts \activate or conda create njupyter env and conda activate Jupyter env. Once activated, install Jupyter Lab and Notebook with pip or conda. Jupyter Lab is recommended for a modern UI. After installation, run Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook from the project folder to start the server. Make sure to note the URL and token printed in the terminal so you can open the interface in your browser. Finish by creating a notebook, selecting the kernel that matches your environment, and running cells interactively. Install the kernel explicitly with Python ipykernel install username equals Jupyter env display name equals env name so the UI shows the correct interpreter. Save regularly and use checkpoints for versioning. If something goes wrong, check that your environment is activated, verify path and Python versions, ensure no other service uses the port, and temporarily disable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.